Hello students, today we'll start with series and parallel combination. That is, there are two types of combination of resistances available to us. Resistances को हम दो टाइप के combination में जोड़ सकते हैं. We have discussed about resistance, that is, resistance is the obstruction or hurdle in the passage of current. So two types of combination to combine resistances are series and parallel combination. We have to find a formula for equivalent resistance in series and then how to find equivalent resistance in parallel and then to do some combination numericals. So we'll first start with series combination. When we'll say series combination, it means resistances are connected one after another in a line or in a series, that is R1, R2 and R3. Suppose if we take three resistances R1, R2 and R3 and they are connected in series, that means they are connected in a line one after another. In series combination, potential difference is different at each point. In series combination, potential difference is different at each point and current at each resistance remains constant. So if we take two values, that is, in series combination, potential difference is different at each point, whereas current, that is I, is constant at each resistance. So if we take values here, potential difference here, if we take V1, it will be V2 here and it will be V3 here. And current is constant at each point means current, if I is taken here, it will be I and it will be I. So at R1, R2 and R3 in series combination, potential difference V1, V2 and V3 and current is constant, that is I at each point. If we have to find total potential difference between these 2 points, then we'll take V equivalent, that is total potential difference. It will become V1 plus V2 plus V3. That is, according to Ohm's law, potential difference is equals to V is equals to IR. If we place this value here, it will become IR equivalent is equals to, at V1, resistance is R1 and current is I, that is I R1. At V2, resistance is R2 and current is I, that is I R2, plus at V3, resistance is R3 and current is I, that is I R3. So total current, that is IR equivalent, we can write it as IR equivalent is equals to I constant R1 plus R2 plus R3. I and I gets cancelled because current is constant. R equivalent in series combination is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3. That is, if we have to find equivalent resistance or total resistance in series combination, then we can add all the resistances, or the sum of all the resistances will give the equivalent resistance in series combination. We'll take example for it. Suppose if R1 is equals to 1 ohm, R2 is equals to 2 ohm, and R3 is equals to 3 ohm, and we have to find total resistance in this combination, that is equivalent resistance for these three combinations when they are connected in series. Then R equivalent is equals to R1 plus R2 plus R3, that is 1 ohm plus 2 ohm plus 3 ohm. It will become 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6 ohm. So equivalent resistance in series combination in this case, when we add or when we find the sum of all the resistances, it will become 6 ohm. Now one thing we have to observe here, total equivalent resistance in series combination is always greater than the highest resistance in the circuit. That is, if we take example here, highest resistance is 3 ohm and equivalent resistance is 6 ohm. So equivalent resistance is always greater than the highest resistance in the circuit. जितना बड़ा रेजिस्टेंस हम लेंगे इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस सीरीज में उससे भी ग्रेटर होगा हमेशा. दैट इज द इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस इन सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन इज ऑलवेज ग्रेटर देन द हाईएस्ट रेजिस्टेंस इन द सर्किट. So this is the formula to find equivalent resistance in series combination. Now we'll take next, that is parallel combination to connect circuits. If we take three resistances R1, R2 and R3 in parallel combination, that is in a line parallel to each other, that is R1, R2 and R3. Again, three resistances are connected in a parallel combination, that means in a line parallel to each other. Now when resistances are connected in parallel combination, potential difference is constant at each point. That is, value for V, potential difference, is constant in each line which is parallel to each other. That is, if potential difference is V here, potential difference will be taken V here and it will be V at R3 also. And current, that is value for I, is different at each point. Suppose in this line current is I1, in this line current will be I2, and in this line current will be I3. So potential difference is constant and current is different at each point. If we have to find total current, that is value for I equivalent, then I equivalent is equals to I1 plus I2 plus I3. According to Ohm's law, we have discussed V is equals to IR or I is equals to V upon R. If we place this value of I here, it will be V upon R equivalent is equals to V upon R1 at I1. Value for R is R1, potential difference is V. V upon R2 plus V upon R3. V upon R equivalent is equals to, potential difference is constant here, in bracket it will be 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. Potential difference and potential difference gets cancelled. It will be 1 upon R equivalent is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. That is equivalent resistance or formula for equivalent resistance in parallel combination will be the sum of reciprocal of resistances. That is 1 upon R equivalent, total resistance will be 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 and so on for any number of combination of resistance. If we take one example again for it with same values, that is value for R1 is 1 ohm, value for R2 is 2 ohm and value for R3 is 3 ohm. They are connected in parallel and we have to find R equivalent or value for R equivalent for it when they are connected in parallel. We use this formula 1 upon R equivalent is equals to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3. 1 upon R equivalent is equals to 1 upon 1 plus 1 upon R2 2 plus 1 upon R3 3 ohm. Now 1 upon R equivalent is equals to LCM of 3, 2 and 1, that is 6. So it will become 6. Again it will become 6 plus 2 3s are 6, that is 3 plus 3 2s are 6, that is 2. So it will become 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2 11, 11 upon 6 ohm. Now this is the value for 1 upon R equivalent. This is the value for 1 upon R equivalent. That is 1 upon R equivalent is equals to 11 upon 6 ohm. If we have to find value for R equivalent, we have to find reciprocal value for it. That is, if we reciprocal it, it will become R equivalent is equals to 6 upon 11 ohm, or we can find it as 0.5. 11 5s are 55, then again it will be 5, 11 4s are 44, or we can say 0.54 ohm. This is the value for equivalent resistance in parallel combination. Again, first we will find value for 1 upon R equivalent when we find combination of resistances in parallel combination. लास्ट में हमें हमेशा आंसर में उसका रेसिप्रोकल वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना होगा एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू के लिए फॉर आर इक्विवेलेंट. एंड वन थिंग व्हिच वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड हियर इज वैल्यू फॉर आर इक्विवेलेंट इन पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन is always less than the lowest value in the combination. इसमें सबसे लोएस्ट वैल्यू 1 ओम था, इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस 0.54 ओम, 1 से भी लेस है। सीरीज कॉम्बिनेशन में हमेशा हाईएस्ट वैल्यू मिलेगा ग्रेटर रेजिस्टेंस से भी ज्यादा, और पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन में हमेशा लोएस्ट वैल्यू मिलेगा सबसे लोअर रेजिस्टेंस से। अगर सबसे लोअर रेजिस्टेंस 1 ओम ले रहे हैं तो इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस का वैल्यू 1 ओम से भी कम होगा। So these are the two types of combination of resistances, that is series and parallel combination. In series combination, equivalent resistance is the sum of all the resistances, and in parallel combination they are added in reciprocal manner. And last answer we always have to find its reciprocal value, that is 1 upon R equivalent. We have to find value for R equivalent. Now there are some numericals on the basis of combination of resistances. कुछ numericals बनते हैं सीरीज और पैरेलल कॉम्बिनेशन के बेसिस पे, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सर्किट्स के, इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस भी एग्जाम में आ सकते हैं. So we take some examples for it. As try these, you can try these questions. 2 ohm and 2 ohm are connected in series. We have to find R equivalent for it. Four ohm, 3 ohm and 3 ohm are connected. We have to find R equivalent in the circuit. Three resistances of 5 ohm are connected in a triangular circuit. We have to find equivalent resistance in this combination. Four resistances of 7 ohm combination are connected in this manner. We have to find equivalent resistance for it. Resistance of 3 ohm and 5 ohm are connected in this manner. We have to find equivalent resistance for it. So these 5 combination of resistances are there. You have to try to find equivalent resistance for it in these 5 combination, and then we'll try some more numericals in next video. Revise formula, try to do these questions of combinations and try to find answer for it for series and parallel combination. Thank you.